And today, nandito po tayo sa farm. Dito sa merong... Hey, what's up guys? My name is Glenn and welcome to GStrongVideos. Okay, guys, welcome. And today, nandito po tayo sa farm. Paano naman ang mga buhay ng mga magsasaka dito sa probinsyang ito? So stick around and I'm going to show you kung paano po mamuhay at kung paano po gumalaw sa bukid, mag-ani, magtanim para po sa ating video. So stick around. And we're inside the farm, and then today we're going to feature some of the lifestyle that they have here in the provinces. Now, as you can see here in the background, that you can see all the plants there. It's called kamoteng baging. Guys, so that's about it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button, and if you want to get update, just click on the bell for notification. Just stay safe, strong pare.